Hello friends, good morning friends. So here in this session, we will study how to make the pattern. So before to study the pattern, I will give you the brief introduction. Pattern is required to prepare the cavity in the mold into which when the molten metal is poured, we get the casting after the solidification. So for that reason, we need first pattern. So in the pattern shop or in the carpentry shop, we are going to produce or we are going to prepare the pattern. So here in this video, you can see this is the final job of the pattern, and these are the raw materials these we are going to use for the preparation of the pattern. These are already the first year jobs, carpentry jobs. These are the first year jobs, carpentry jobs, which has been used as a raw material instead of other raw materials. This is the drawing of the pattern job. Now these are the tools used. These are the same carpentry tools has been used to make the pattern. This is the steel rule, then this is the pencil, then it is the hand saw or rip saw is also known. This one is the mallet, and these are the two kinds of chisels are there. One is the thermal chisel and different sizes available. Then these are the files of different sizes, rasp files, half round files, and these are the two different sizes, 6 inch and 10 inch. Then this one is the tri square, 6 inch. Then this is the metal planer, and this last one is the wooden planer. So these are the tools needed to produce, and we are using the vise. We are using the vise to clamp the workpiece into the this vise. First, for making this is the pattern which is already made for the last year. Now to produce the same pattern, we are using the first year this carpentry job as a raw material, and this one another bottom is one is the another separate plate is used to produce the ribs. So thing first thing is needed. We have to make the base plate, and to make the base plate, we are cutting the one piece of the carpentry job. And first thing that we will do is the marking onto the that job. So marking is the first step. So accordingly we may mark onto the job. So here sir has the practice to draw the straight line with their hands, but for you it is needed to take the line with the help of the scale. Now the another piece from which we are going to produce the this cylinder. This cylinder is going to produce by the another piece of the carpentry job. So for which also we need marking. We first going to produce the square block, and then from this that square block we are going to produce the and height we are going to maintain is the 50 mm. So first we'll make the rectangular block, and from that we'll produce the round cylinder. Now marking of the ribs which are at the sides. So marking of the ribs we are doing on the separate another piece. So this is how we are going to take the marking. So two pieces can be made. Two pieces can be made of this ribs from that flat piece. So tri-square is used to get the exact perpendicular line. So we can, out of that marking, we can produce the, so this another line is the cutting allowance, which we are taking extra. Okay. Firstly, we are going to produce the base plate for the pattern. So this base plate of the pattern we are going to produce.
Base plate.
Yes. Yes. From this earlier raw job. So this has been produced by this handsaw cutting operation. So extra allowance for the cutting has been given by the scale. Now this cylinder, middle cylinder, cutting for the cylinder. So this middle portion cylinder that we required, we can cut from the from this raw material. First we'll make the round block, this square block, and from that square block we'll produce the round block. First cutting according to the same. Then for the ribs, we have to cut the ribs as per the marking we have made. So now we are cutting the ribs from the raw material by this handsaw. Now we can see we can cut the job, even the cutter that is there in our shop. So now this is the base plate that we have cut. These are the ribs we have cut, and this another one is the this rectangular block that we have cut from this cutter and machine. To make the cylinder, we need to make the marking of the cylinder onto that rectangular block.
Diameter
So first we'll take the marking of that circle of diameter 28, diameter 28 and height 50 onto the block, and then the remaining part we are going to cut by the files, rasp file. So this is how we are going to cut the excess amount of material, excess amount of wooden material from the job, and we can make the job round or cylindrical. This is how by filing we can make the round cylinder.
लगेच करतो लगेच. बोला बोला तुम्ही.
So this is how we are making round. We are making the cylinder into this circumference surface. So earlier it has the rectangular block. Now we have, by filing operation, we have converted it into cylinder.
कंटिन्यू.
तर जिथं जिथं आपल्याला जरा राऊंडपणा कमी असेल तिथं आपण पुन्हा एकदा फायलिंग करून तो राऊंड शेप देऊ शकतोय. So this is how we have made the cylinder here. Now from this cylinder,
फिनिशिंग हे बघा.
finishing also we can do by the filing, where we can find the somewhat rough surface.
नंतर स्मूथ फाईल.
The finishing can be done by the smooth file. This is another file which is used for making the smooth surface.
ते ड्रॉइंग प्रमाणे ती साईज करून घेतली.
As per the drawing, now we have maintained the sizes. Now we are going to make the assembly of these three pieces into one piece, which will ultimately make our pattern.
याचा सेंटर काढायचा, याचा सेंटर.
So for that also, making the correct assembly, we are going to mark first, and then we will, with the help of the gum, we will keep it correct assembly.
ही 12 mm चं मार्किंग. बरोबर. हे स्केल न करायचं आहे मार्किंग. आता याचा सेंटर काय, सेंटर बरोबर. हे राईट मार्किंग करायचं. हे सिलेंडर आहे ना, ते 28च्या पेक्षा जास्त घ्यायचे. हे जास्त घ्यायचं, 28 पेक्षा अंतर जास्त घ्यायचं आणि याचं सेंटर घेऊन हे असं मार्किंग करायचं. आणि हे सिलेंडर बरोबर सेंटरला चारही बाजूनं सेम अंतर आलं पाहिजे. वर्ण दाखवा सर. हा, वरून हे सेंटरला आलं पाहिजे. हे स्ट्रिप्स अशा चिकटवायच्या.
So this is how we have made the assembly. Now by pasting the Fevicol, we can make the permanent job. By pasting the Fevicol, we can make the permanent joint here.
हे सेंटरलाच लावायचं फक्त.
So here we can see by pasting the Fevicol, we have made the assembly of the pieces of the pattern. After a few minutes, we can get the permanent joint, and that pattern we can use for further casting purposes. So this is how pattern making practical has been completed here.